No, don't say anything you'll regret.
Alright. You need to learn how to edit.
I know, there is editing. I just am too lazy.
Edit that one.
I'm not editing anything. Whatever you say is fair game.
2 minutes?
So just edit yourself.
How am I going to edit myself if it's
So,
out there?
no, I'm not going to put that one on. It was only 3 seconds long. I just turned it on.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So every
What was that?
it's all video. Oh, okay, yeah. I put it on YouTube. Okay, I'll learn how to do that.
You can just send it to her as a link, can't you?
I don't know.
You just have to download it. And then
Oh,
upload
you
it
know
on
what? I can send it WeTransfer. Yeah, I can send it. Hi.
Excuse you.
Excuse you, you're in my paddle zone.
How to make you work harder.
I need a seat cushion, my bum hurts.
You need a what?
A seat cushion, my butt hurts.
Really?
Well, the bumpy parts of the seat, my butt is too big.
Mine actually is like not bad.
Well, maybe you don't have a big.
Yeah,
You know why? You know
You know
why? You know what I'm gonna say?
What?
What kind of booty you got?
I got an Asian booty.
That's
You
right.
know what? It would hurt more because I don't have it.
You got an Asian booty.
If I didn't have a booty, then it would hurt more.
You know where we have to go back to? The Wii Spa. Yep, I'm recording that whole time. Talking about your Asian booty.
For Asian booty. You know what? I think I'm a white girl.
You are not a white girl, girlfriend.
Asian baby. Asian.
You are not a Wasian. You are so far from a Wasian. It's not even funny. You are a Malaysian, my love.
No, I'm Asian. Sorry.
You are not a Wasian. Dude, you are like, where's Waldo at the Wii Spa? Not a clue. I'm not turning nothing. I'm paddling.